Decked out in finery, unraveling the elegance. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that paints a picture of elegance and splendor. Deck out in finery. This expression is not just about clothing. It's about the art of dressing in one's best. So, let's explore what it means to be decked out in finery, how to use this phrase in your conversations, and why it's more than just about looking good. Deck out in finery is a phrase that combines two key concepts, deck out and finery. To deck out means to dress in a special or elaborate way, often for a particular occasion. Finery refers to expensive, showy, and elegant clothes or decorations. When someone is decked out in finery, they are dressed in their most beautiful and impressive clothing, often to make a statement or for a special event. This phrase is perfect for contexts where you want to emphasize the elegance and effort put into dressing up. It can be used in various situations, from describing someone's appearance at a wedding to complimenting a friend's outfit at a gala. For example, she was decked out in finery for the premiere, turning heads as she walked the red carpet. It's a great way to express admiration for someone's choice of attire and the overall impression they make. Being decked out in finery is not just about the clothes. It's a celebration of personal style, culture, and the joy of dressing up for occasions. It reflects the social and cultural importance of presenting oneself in the best possible light, whether for celebrations, ceremonies, or significant events. This phrase can spark conversations about fashion, tradition, and the role of clothing in social interactions and personal expression. To be decked out in finery is to embrace the beauty and artistry of dressing well. It's a phrase that captures the essence of special occasions and the effort we put into looking our best. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate not just the phrase but the rich cultural tapestry it represents. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, language is not just about communication. It's about connecting with the world and its diverse cultures. See you in our next video.